Owusu. We are the right hand side for Owusu Bempa. Aye, Kumase, Mr. Mapop and boy. Aye, political pastor. Guy we Nensani Fasu Jenafo. Akwa we na Osio PMP dia. Ono ankasa papa. I was on a see Ghana president. And to me, I'm funny, sir, to me, I'm here to me, I'm a papa way, I'm an uncle parliament. I also been personally see the president of the country. But in the way, Chaso Usuka so persona media ampino. Only constituency, also been point to me and you soon to me, I'm a papa way, uncle parliament. Papa way. No one said, I'm a becker. A gun as of for an entroning contopo. Papa, we see or no? We're not the who to TMP pa. Say in any say John, a Juma said John, a dear said John, a yet the ma papa way out to one. I don't know how he can be dishonest and disloyal. Say John, Yenny said John, a young people in a man said John, yes, said John. And I said, John far we and then nanti ye, and ordinary Gina ye. Now, qua win a knee edition for Samso, and ordinary Cobata Usubepa. Ye qua to a bay. After this foolish guy has enriched himself with the MPP party, he stood against Dr. Bawumia. Or sorry, about Dr. Bawumia, then, and indirectly, the name master ye. Usubempa, they know yentino. Then he was campaigning for John Mahama seriously. But people that couldn't believe that, and I train Yame to Abani. And ne kwasi ampanyi we ankasa ba bontan beka say no kore oto nabade ma John Mahama, but he is disappointed. Ha, God of Almighty. Mr. Bobby Obiano, kawiem. And bantentem, now bantama de besi ye. Ono no, o say oto abama John Mahama. Sa kwa we asem na miko, papa we odahoy. Oto abama John Mahama, such a beneficiary of the particular MPP. But now sorry ya, or say he is disappointed in John Mahama. I didn't hear. Say he voted for John Mahama because of LGBTQ plus. And I was like, first of all, what Ghana ni baby okoto aba Edema John Mahama because of LGBTQ plus piano. Me, I take it in consideration, say, who problem kakra, team. Me abadi may. Either you like it or not. Asamna John Mahama can and I know say LGBTQ price, any our priority no. That is a reality. And then I get the rare things and the rare fact. But the entire year can watch him say, when he in opposition, he says something different about that. And the entire year tackling his own sign. That is all. Every MPP supporter knew say, Sadiano, and Yadi be an Maya Bianidi. Hey, Yane hospital. Hospital Yanibi. And Tiana Mam for a home. But Papa Way, it me being an oka say he went out there to vote for John Mahama only for this reason. Na ede, onono awojina hoyi. Oye disappointed say, His Excellency John Mahama has not been able to fulfill what he told him. Until why disappointed. Now I'm saying, until you went there to vote because of LGBTQ plus, and yet tremuna sofai. Umen couldn't concotia rehosem.
No question. As well with me, I am in town getting my Rosempa. Come on, say,
Asempa FM.
Yeah, you're free and Christopher. Bible was something no crap to do was it, or mine the woman no papa. And a bomb me ready me, and I'll come as them. But my come dear, chichi. And that is a typical example of the Eura, John Dramani Mahama, or Mampeni. Aye, new sem. Na ayahosem na ayebibia egu Kristo som ehufin egu Kristo som hufin. Look, I mean one example back. Yenianom Mozambique wa yenim omoyon. When it comes to their faith, eba omo Quran any asema kramoni be gina wa kan o the Bible be Quran be din si aka ho asem obi make awon nan ti be twa ni tifu be gina no gina.
Hey, tieni yepa, listen to this revelation. Ti asema akwa we ye kan. Nkrofo na omo so di gina tia Dr. Bawumia because omo so ye kramoni nti omo nti ase emma ne meye president no. Sa nkrofo na ne omo se enkramofo so omo so omo twere kronkron no mu na omo didi nse a omo di omo niema so. Enkrofo na omo ye campaign tia Dr. Bawumia because o say oye kramoni no. These are the same people who are now confessing say kramoni eswai ewone omu enka so omu book kronkron no so a odisopa na mi bisaw chaso wusu jimi come here whether musisi kanti mo jimi to the highest level mo jimi mo ho and if Dr. Bawumia is a Muslim na oye president inshallah 2029 1st January 7th January na ye kosweni ina kwasi ampanyini or the day na best swear in the front of the people. Abusianfo moju say Dr. Bawumia 7th January 2029 okojina Fras Square so friend saying na say or swear to the people of Ghana massa. Do you think say or the day the best swear to the people and to promise of the fact that he's going to work with the constitution to make Ghana better? Obviously, he's going to use the Quran. And this a chance you usunim say enkramofo the Quran is swai bibi. Now mudi super pepe. Ayen pepe. Ah, and the enemy bisa say. Why did them Sasofufu when you ban and send or Moshe that year campaign editia Yura Dr. Bawumia? Where a simple question. You see the hypocrisy in these people. You see the hypocrisy. Listen to what this guy is saying. So when they swear, they obey it. And this enkramofo no kredi for the any identity Dr. Bawumia nsem o ka kire mo ntumi anje antum na mo hu se okogina ho so okoswe in as a president na ofa Quran on the kire se obeye bibia to make Ghana better identity onji ni biem. You see the hypocrisy. Sa zan so fufu ya mugu Ghana wa hu muwo ebeye sere with the video no take a crana or Sasam no Kafa Muslim so no. I am to asunko ya nimtieni biem.
Some kramoni be gina wa kan o the Bible be Quran be din si aka ho asem obi make awon nan ti be twa ni tifu be gina no gina. When it comes to Christianity and this I am shocked. Na many to say wu na ma fari mpo. Every say obi me to mabama ye John Dramani Mahama. About to be a do so.
Asempa FM.
Obia wo botanti o de to aba. Obi wo a sabi o na ho ofe. Obi wo ne kasa de. Obi wo kra manifesto ya chiro. Enema timupon sama ya chesa de agu krata mu. Ana o kenkan bi a sabi o de pe ai o mampani no o ba na sem ana pa ti ho sem. Obi wo so ka ba bi o free ene kata waka ho asem ba me me kasa so for me kasa so manyoni botanti pa me gina so to abama ye John Dramani Mahama LGBTQ+. Now maybe some say again here. In fact, I can read a claim ya to abama o maimu. Ana yewura o mampani John Dramani Mahama. Oye Kristo ni nti wotonsa for Kristo fo asofo nyina. So opese obeka ni team for some chere asofo. Na ya bompa ye mano. Na obi minya kwan kobi. Na me kobi ni nanu wasemunye. abra no ka okatafa galamsey ho nyama mienu pa potin pa obekasa onbada miensa okatafa ketaseche ne pro ne kankan ho okatafa galamsey ho ana obekasa fa LGBTQ+ ho nyama wo nyina ka ho ntina me to obama no na mmom itu pa ne LGBTQ+ na tie di okan o si o e ganani ana o say Assemblies of God ni not just Assemblies of God ni o say Kristo ni company also o ye Kristo ni a o ye Assemblies of God ni a o ye Kristo ni Assemblies of God ni na tanyema okay ana o say bibini ya mamre ene ya manne yes so ma ho kwan na ni na train say you oba ni be ma enti ono oba obehwe sani pen so emra na ye be sisha to say emma kwan emma tabio enipa mienu a omo ye mema ana omo ye ma enfrom ha warefo no mu tinya sane ma omonten so obe no boa ma tamra ne den tabe adimu obatan ni tamra no mi jini di ebi so mi so aso to go di ebi te yewra ku fo do shebo e ko mi echi no yewra Mahama ya ni party for me eti afete o mra pa ye de ko ya so onsan ama so to obama no Papa yi baioma mpeni no afi na ne nkomodi mu no na ne ma etisa me to kenya hwe efi se won wie ne term ntini se sabi o wo ya na se chinchina twan oto onsan na kese bi a oni na ni no obi atama yewra Mahama aba be kan wadi mi hwam mo pa wadi mi hwam mo pa not as a politician, as a Christian. I say, I don't mean it. And then you all try and say, Ghana for a year here, and yet here. Number two, so now a course for me when I see Nipa Sena. Oh, we catch me, Nipa do say na a CM LGBTQ was
over 90%. Yeah, 93%.
That is saying
93%.
No?
Yes.
And 7% they say. But 93% and 7% they say.
W.
And yes, no one penny say, I'll say, oh, more country and idiom. And yes, no one penny to Mahama, I catch a hey, Oman penny. And then if you know, I stand I'll prove I have stand Huma. And to the over to my country, no. But 93% of population now, who would this so at president? No, I see young pen. Also, a young here. Oh, my way. Oh, my do who ya papa. In fact, they were not to pay your man penny at them. And they said, oh, yeah, near my effort. Now, empire meditanity. In fact, Obi, what do you know? Papa, men, because what the men do. Mr. Rimbo, every time you make us a trouble, my Mahama. Madofo be crab by my town for. If I go for me, whom you know, both I saw young Casso and this, the million is in your gunny. Then when me penny on Papa, I'm on my Ghana. I failed at the time, say, 2024 elections. You're right, John Mahama. A well position. Need some walker because you're Baumia. Oh, you're a coup for no. I say, we're for the time, I didn't tell me for you, Mahama. You're a jump, Baumia to say about the time. The junior quiet as idea. And you can't buy no quadia, you're 2 minimum or ultimate, your name. And you have command your no on Kahubia. Or say a book. Even can you in the military crack? I'm your bra. But I'm talking about on one casa as the president. And that's you always hear Christo. No, what to me, a custom will actually Christo.
I was on to say, Utie video where ya. Where actually say, Chaso Usu Charles Owusu ankasa Charles Owusu Charles Owusu Owusu bempa ni nipa no ono so aba abonten ese dabi akwakoto abama John Dariga sese biomenso no etrumu fu empese o meba Ghana ntino ye bibi fa ho a wonye osi wadwa. So you see what is happening today. And the video we miate ensem ye no say asofo bi be kan kire o say Dr. Bawumia ye kremoni enti manima medi Ghana man so a se ne hu oboa e sika bi o mo akwaje mimi asa ponko fi mo akwa papa oboa forget fisherman mo akwa because munim trodo say Dr. Bawumia is capable of leading Ghana to a better place. At the end, say, asofo na omokoye campaign di tia Dr. Bawumia because almost in an one sign wine LGBT wine no. And now munyina omobeti omujejeje. Yankopon epiamoka. You will stay there and suffer. Oh my way. Ebo waba. Also edi muhamo. Wasian kan kyerɛ mu sɛ moagimi otime frɛ mu nyinaa aboa ma no na ɔkɔka asɛm akyerɛ mu ɔdan mu hidden Mahama ɔyɛ Dariga rough Ghana asɔfofoɔ mpanyinfoɔ nyinaa o papa no ɛhyɛ da kɔkye wɔn nyinaa gu dan mu edwa n'anum kyerɛ wɔn ɛka deɛ onim kyerɛ wɔn ɛhyɛ da kata n'ani edi ntorɔ ɛkɔmpense wɔn. So monko no mko kanchiro munyan no mugu asori mu so mon toba ma no ba we ni we no ba be papa we yoda ho ka asem no ye nyina yete so wahu somebody who doesn't even respect the clergy for no kura no omu omo kete na me ne wo e no fa ye ho we are all here to see me ya park me da se collection see Independence Square yeah